This is my home. This is my home in Peru. Now let me show you about the residents, the other people I live with in this home. The first person I live with is my boy. Now my boy is a highly hardworking intellectual man who enjoys nothing more than to sit and make things with his hands. Yes, that is true. And he also enjoys playing games. That is what he likes to do, unfortunately. And now I am going to show you the wife. The wife is a creature, a very nice creature, but currently is having some situations whereby she cannot be irritated with. And this is Tree. And Tree manages all our food and stuff. So this concludes my journey of my home. But now I shall have my dinner, and I'm going to videotape my entire dinner. You might wonder why. It's because we have not ever done something like this. So now we're going to do just that. Wife, food, eat it.
Little Humsy boy. Small little Humsy boy. Hi, Shabash.
We are starting a new type of diet. Only eating meat. Meat sticks. That is what it is. Eating meat sticks for dinner. And now you shall join me in the process of eating meat. Wow. Pretty not bad.
Are those the processed ones?
No.
Hamza, you want hash brown for lunchbox tomorrow or you want for breakfast? Breakfast hash brown, no? Tree, Hamza want hash brown for breakfast. Hamza, one hash brown is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. See the stuff I need.
So how do I get Instagram?
Hamza, come here. Hamza. Hey Hamza. Come here. Come here, Hamza. What's your name, Sophie? Sit down next to me. Anna, Kati, you. What's your name? Kati. What did you school today? What you learned? Sit next to me. Don't go to school. I don't know. I don't send you to school. No school. So bedtime is coming from the school. Change your clothes. Put your clothing. Wash them up. Finish all that bit. You showered or not? Go change your night dress. So she hasn't come home. Immediately.
Did you exercise today? Did you? Come. I need to go through with you something.
He needs to change his night dress first.
I won't take time.
I think another shower.
Come here.
Hamza, please don't have multiple showers like this. Is not good. 2 showers is enough.
Okay, first of all, come in. I want to commend you on something. Sit properly. Put your thing on your hand. Listen very carefully. Although today you were irritated when I asked you to do the work, I am actually very proud of you. Guess what you got? What do you think you got? Okay. On the questions of multiplications, you got 9 out of 10. This means 90%. Okay? That is a very, very high mark. Okay? Now, there's one, don't touch that, don't touch that, don't touch that. There's one question in which I need you to look at it carefully again. This, you got the answer right. Lisa earns, so 2, 9, 7, 8. How much would she earn in half a year? So that's times 6. Okay? This is a mistake in multiplication. Okay? Nothing big. Just maybe the words you got, the thing you got wrong. So what is 8 times 6? Somebody asked you, what is 8 times 6? What do you say? 8 times 6 is 40. No. 8 times 6 is, try it. 40. No, think carefully. 8 times 6, what is 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is what? What is 8 times 6? You can get it right. You will get it. You will get it right. Okay, 8 times 6 right, Hamza. is
8 times 6 is 48.
yes. See? Why you remember your okay, so 8. Okay? Now 7 times 6 is 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is
42.
huh?
42.
Let me check, huh? You're right. So 42 plus 4, right? And then the answer is 6. And then the 4 goes here. See? Exactly correct. 9 times 6. 54 plus 4. 54 plus 4 is 58, right? So the 8, and then 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 5 is 17. Okay? 17, 8, 6, 8. That is the correct answer. You have chosen an answer which is not even there. So that's really incredible. It's not even there when you mark it. See that? Just 4. How this is 12, 4 to 8, but it's written 5, 8 to 8. So you took a guess. Okay? Remember?
This one, I know I wait, for I
You got it right?
what I mean, like, guess. Yeah, for this one, I didn't I don't know. I can't remember.
Okay, so basically when you get this kind of question, so this one you already know, okay, correction already done. Okay, what is 20 less than the product of 738 and 39? So first 738 times 39. Okay, minus 20. Okay? But still, good job. Okay, well done. Now listen to me. Tomorrow, I will only give you very little. You only have this question to do and this question. Only 2 questions. Why? Because tomorrow is what day? And what happens on Tuesday? ECA, right? No ECA tomorrow. When does the ECA start?
3 more.
3 more weeks. Anyway, only 2 questions. Okay? Now, to move on to science.
Oh yeah, one of the questions
I
I
know.
didn't really understand.
Okay. Over here, okay, they haven't taught you photosynthesis. Okay, but anyway, the process of how a plant makes food is a process called photosynthesis. Why? Why photo?
I know
Because,
what photosynthesis.
yeah. Leaf plant X, absolutely right. Perfect. Okay. Here, chlorophyll, substance Y.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yes. Yes, because yes, correct. Correct. So when you are writing science now in primary 4, you would want to write a few more words. Okay, if you want to get the high marks, like the 90 marks. So how would I write this? Which plant X, Y is able to take in more water from the soil? Okay. So what do we say? We say X, right? X. This is because there are more roots to absorb minerals and water from the soil. Okay? So the reason why you want to write something like this is because we want to show the teacher that you're not just a robot that's just going and answering questions. Okay? Try to understand that, right? Now, for science, if you'd like, you can do 2 questions tomorrow. This page and this page. Okay? Right, good. Now, please explain to me in school, what are they teaching you in terms of the maths? What are they teaching you right now?
Oh yeah, I need help like reinforcements if that's like you know the number skip like that.
Uh-huh.
We are near the rounding numbers, I can already know.
Okay.
So example like example something like this one. Like this 1, 2, 3, like it's like a.
Oh, skipping numbers.
I
Okay.
need help with that because
Okay, I'm going to tell teacher Linda to go through the number skip with you. Okay? Because I cannot know how to explain to you properly. But have they started with the line graphs yet? No, right? Okay.
Line graphs is like
So I just want to test a bit of theory with you. If somebody says find factor of 12, can you show me the process how you do this?
Find factor of 12.
Find all the factors of 12. Find
That
all
was here.
the factors of 12. How would you go about doing it? I just want to see if you remember.
Yeah, I mean, two times. What times do you have to? 6, right?
Okay, next one.
Ah, yeah.
3 times 4, right? And 5 times 2. Correct. So now they're repeating already, right? So can you list the factors of 4 times 3, not 4 times 4.
Right.
Okay. So list out all the factors of 12 for me. How would you do it? Smallest to the largest, remember? Very well done. Okay, good. You understand the concept. Okay. So this is the concept which I want you to remember. Okay. Now, there is one question which you need to get very correct, because they usually ask this question in the exam. Okay, so I'm going to give you a scenario. Okay, John has 3 times more what? More crayons? Crayons. Then Abbott. Okay. If they have 12 crayons all together, I want you to find out how many crayons does Abbott have. So for these kind of questions, we need to draw the model, right? So James J has 3 times, right? Okay, good. And Abbott. Okay. Now how would you represent the total? Total they have 12. Very good. So what would you do? You don't have to work it out. Tell me what would you do to solve this problem? This question. What are you going to find first? What do you
Find
need?
1 unit.
Very good. So how many are there
12
altogether?
divided by 3.
Sorry, how do you divide by 3? Do you see what you just did? The total. You have circled the total, right? So total is how many?
12 divided by 4.
Very good. Okay, remember, don't make this mistake. You always get this thing a bit confused. So I'm just trying to help you with that. Okay, remember.
Can I go for shower?
Wait, why? See, got time, only 7:37, 15 minutes to shower. Don't worry, see. Don't worry, see here. Okay, remember always when you do this thing, right? This is the full part. Okay? Then you divide by. Now, I will just change. Okay, one more question and then you go for shower. Alright? Okay, here's one question that you can look at. Okay? Let's say the greater number is 10. Okay? Is 2 times is 3 times of the smaller number. Okay? If the difference between them is 10. 10. Okay? How would you find the greater number and the smaller number? Look at the question carefully. Yeah? The greater number is 3 times that of the smaller number. So start the model. I want you to see whether you understand the model. We did it yesterday. The greater number is 3 times That
you all
is
don't
smaller.
understand. If you all have any problem, you should come and talk to the school. Don't go and say in social media.
And if the
You know
difference
what
between them is 10,
consequences of that are.
find the
You know
greater
what the
and the smaller
consequences. You all know what are the consequences. In love.
Okay, so start with the model. Don't wait first. Just start with the model. So you label the. What are you doing? Wait on here. Come on. Start with the model. Greater number. So you can write GN. Write GN here. GN. Yep. Greater number. N. N for number. Okay, good. Now, how many times bigger is it than the smaller? Then the other one you can put a smaller number. SN. S and very good, right? Correct? That's all we did, we label it. No big deal, right? Now, how many times is the greater number bigger than the smaller number? So, how many boxes will you draw? Look at that. Exactly. Go ahead. No, you can draw 3 boxes, not number 3. Okay.
I don't know what's happening.
Very good. Okay, so you got 3 boxes there. And what about a smaller number? Okay, good. Now listen very carefully, okay? What did they say? If the difference between them is 10, show it on the model. How would you describe? How would you draw the 10? As in, where would you draw the bracket? Draw that dotted line thing, right? Go ahead. No. The difference between them. See, the difference. What is the difference between them? They are different by how many blocks? Is it by 3 blocks? Is it by 1 block? 2 blocks, right? So this is 10. Yes. Now, can you tell me how you would solve this problem? What would you do first? Divide by how much first?
3.
Okay. Why 3? Why 3? Let me help you illustrate this better. Okay, you said 3, right? Okay, I'll just show you the diagram. Okay, easier. Okay. Maybe the diagram is not very well drawn. Okay, see. We have the greater number and we drew 3 blocks, right? 1, 2, and 3, right? And then we have the smaller number and we drew 1 block. Yes? And we said the difference, that means the difference is 10. Okay? That means what? What does it mean? That means these 2 blocks is equal to what? These 2 blocks are pointing to what number? What is that? What are they equal to? Can you see that? Right? So what do you need to do now? You need to find? You need to find?
1.
Yes, so what would you do? Maybe I help you draw it this way, okay? So you help you understand. You have a greater number, you have a smaller number, right? I have 3 blocks here. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. Yes? And I have 1 small block here. Okay, now here. How many blocks have I underlined? How many blocks have I put in the bracket? How many blocks have I closed in the bracket?
10.
10, very good. How many blocks have I closed in the bracket?
2.
2, right? So what do I need to do if I want to find the value of 1 block? I should divide by what? Think about it. What should I divide by? Don't worry, just tell me the answer. It's okay. You can't remember. Okay, I have 2 boxes. Right? So I have 2 boxes here, right? So I'm trying to find what is, so my 2 boxes is equals to 10. I'm trying to find how.
Which is 5.
Huh?
Which is 5.
Yes. So what did you do? You divided by?
4.
Okay. Let's see. How do you divide by 4? If I take 10 divided by 4, will that make sense or not? Would 10 divided by 4 make sense? What's so difficult? What, I don't understand. Maybe explain to me what
I
it
was
is.
tired.
I know you're tired, but you have to just help me answer this question. How many, we should divide 10 by how many blocks? 4 blocks? 2 blocks? 3 blocks? How many blocks should we divide by?
3.
3. Why 3, darling? Am I highlighting 3 or am I highlighting, how many blocks am I highlighting?
2.
Do you understand? These 2 blocks, these 2 blocks are equivalent to 10. So I divide, how many blocks are there? 2, right? 10 divided by 2. You understand or not? Yeah. I want you to try one more time because I don't understand whether you understand this thing or not. Do you get it? Or you want to go for a shower? You go for a shower then. Go take a bath. Huh? Sorry? No, you sit properly and you do because you sit properly. Come, I give you a very simple one. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. Okay. So I have a greater number. Okay, that is 2 times. Wait, 3 times. Again, 3 times more than the smaller number. Difference between them is 20. Okay. Come draw for me the thing. I have to draw GN and SN. Okay. How would you draw the model? How would you draw the model? Just draw the model for me. Greater number is 3 times more than the smaller number. Yes?
Yeah.
So please draw. Show me how you draw it, whether you understand this thing. Okay. And what do you do with the smaller number? Okay, very good. Okay, now can you underline the or make a bracket for the difference? What is that?
10.
No. Yes, the answer is right, but why you wrote that 10? Is it 2 equal to 10? It's 20, right? 2 is a 20, right? 20. Yes? Okay, good. So, you know that 1 unit is 10 because you divided by how many? How much do you divide by? You did it? Huh?
By 2.
Very good. Go. Go shower. Perfect. Yes, because 2 boxes are there. See? 2 blocks is 20. Okay? So each one is 10 and then this is 10. So you can put another 10 here, then the greater number would be 30. The smaller number would be 10. Got it? Okay, good. Okay, as long as you understand, that's all I wanted to show you. Okay, don't make this confusion between the thing. Okay, you can go for your shower now, darling. I need to walk for 10 minutes. But I need to finish my burly first.
Tomorrow fun class, Hamza, 5 o'clock.
He knows the thing is there. Okay. Checklist. Let's see. Did you? Oh yeah! Wow, you did it. Great. Okay. Did you pack and check the school bag? Madrasa, you did right? Don't do that. Don't do that. It's recording. Revise with that maths, you did? Very good. Okay, the only thing is to tidy up your stuff. Have you tidied up your stuff?
I put it.
Yeah, you must take at the end of the day. Come here. Oh, actually, it's quite tidy. Okay? Well done. Just a bit of revision every day, Hamza, you get really good. That's all I wanted to show you just now. Amazing, Hamza. 9 out of 10, no joke. Well done.